Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Change on guitar. This guide focuses on an easy, accessible version of the song. We will cover the 3 main chords you need, a straightforward strumming pattern, and how these elements fit together. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to play this classic tune. To play Change, you only need to learn 3 essential open chords: a major, G major, and D major. These are common chords, making this song great for beginners. Focus on forming each shape cleanly, ensuring all notes sound clear. Practice switching slowly between A and G, then G and D, and finally D back to A, building muscle memory. For strumming, a versatile pattern like down, down, up, works well. Keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain rhythm. The chord progression for Change is a major, G major, D major, G major, and back to a major. You'll play A for a full bar, G for a full bar, D for 2 beats, G for 2 beats, then return to A for a full bar. This sequence repeats throughout much of the song. Consistent practice is key to mastering Change. Begin by playing very slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing your speed. Prioritize smooth chord transitions over perfect sound at first. Your fingers will strengthen over time. Listen closely to the original recording to grasp the song's feel and timing. Enjoy the process of bringing this fantastic song to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.